Oh.
And it was extremely cold. I think it was some -5 degrees. Scene where I'm holding the gun and I have to hit his arm and lock him in. Scene के बीच में मैंने देखा, oh, I can see blood.
Oh my god.
But it's okay, it goes by. And many times, and he's on the phone and he drags me from under the bed and we start fighting. I kill him, I run into the other room. That chalo theek hai, she is a Pakistani. I'm able to fool the viewer, and that's what you're supposed to do as an actor, right? She seems like she's not really with Pakistan, you know? But no, everybody really believed that I am Fahima. यार ये सब मुझे नहीं करना है, बहुत डर लगता है मुझे.
हेलो गाइस, दिस इज योर होस्ट अरुणा पूर्वे एंड यू वाचिंग मी ऑन बॉलीवुड सोसाइटी. इस वक्त हमारे साथ वो ब्यूटीफुल एंड टैलेंटेड एक्टर इस वक्त है जिनको आपने रणनीति में देखा है. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ एलनाज की. एलनाज, सबसे पहले तो वेलकमिंग to you on Bollywood Society.
Thank you. Hi everyone.
And many congratulations for Ranneeti. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? How was the overall experience shooting for Ranneeti?
Overall experience was great. थोड़ा tough था. Action sequences, the whole jumping down multiple times from 3 stories, 4 stories. I don't even know how many that was. But मज़ा तो बहुत आया. ये बात है. I really enjoyed working on Ranneeti because it's a very special series. थोड़ा अलग भी है, you know. It's my first series that has so much action, and it's my first series that is about politics इतना ज़्यादा. So कुछ अलग try किया था मैंने इस बार.
MMA सीखा था for this specific series. So how was the training going on, and still are you doing MMA?
हाँ जी, मैंने MMA तो 1 साल पहले ही शुरू किया था. 1 साल रणनीति से पहले. तो वो स्पेसिफिकली रणनीति के लिए शुरू नहीं किया था मैंने. मुझे वैसे ही करना था, वैसे ही मुझे सीखना था, ताकि अगर ऐसा कुछ सीरीज या मूवी आया जिसमें एक्शन करना है, ताकि मैं थोड़ा प्रिपेयर हूँ. तो वो ऐसा ही हो गया कि मैनिफेस्ट करके फिर मैंने शुरू किया और रणनीति भी मिल गई, और I ended up doing action, and which really helped me because I was already trained for a year. जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि जब आप शुरू करते हो तो उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है ना. सीधा शूट पे चले जाते हैं सब.
तो ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस पहले से शुरू हो गई.
जी. And that was very helpful. That was very great. And अभी भी कर रही हूँ मैं. मतलब कभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है. जब स्पेसिफिकली अगर मैं अभी म्यूजिक कर रही हूँ तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है MMA करने के लिए. पर मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि हफ्ते में 1 बार तो जाके थोड़ा बहुत कर लूँ, ताकि भूल ना जाऊँ.
तो ऐसे फिटनेस वर्कआउट्स तो बहुत सारे होते हैं. वेट ट्रेनिंग होते हैं, पिलाटेस होते हैं, MMA, योगा. व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल फेवरेट?
देखिए, अभी तो फिलहाल पहले तो मैं बहुत योगा कर रही थी. फनी थिंग इज, कल रात को 1 साल के बाद मैंने दोबारा योगा किया. तो अभी मैं दोबारा सोच रही हूँ कि योगा दोबारा शुरू करूँ.
योगा, ओके.
और वेट ट्रेनिंग तो मैं कर रही हूँ, और MMA भी कर रही हूँ साथ, और मेरा डांस भी चल रहा है साथ. तो
उसमें जुम्बा हो जाता है.
हाँ जी, मिक्स करती रहती हूँ. हाँ जी.
तो कभी ट्रेनिंग के दौरान ऐसे कुछ इंजरीज हुआ है, या फिर वाइल शूटिंग फॉर रणनीति इंजरीज हुआ है एक्शन करते टाइम?
हाँ जी, एक बार हो गया. We were shooting that action sequence on the in Kashmir. It was on the bridge, and it was extremely cold. I think it was some -5 degrees. और उसमें I don't know if you've seen the scene where I'm holding the gun and I have to hit his arm and lock him in. तो उसमें I hit his gun, and I think it was this hand of mine had cut open because it was so cold. God. And the gun was heavy, and उस वक्त तो ज़्यादा पता नहीं. हाँ, stiff हो गया था. तो then मुझे पता ही नहीं चला because it's cold, right? So you don't feel it. And then later, scene के बीच में मैंने देखा, oh, I can see blood.
Oh my god.
But it's okay, it goes by, and many times it happens. Many times it happens. Every time we do a dance, we do a song, or when you do action, you will get hurt. Now, sometimes it's big, sometimes it's less. Oh, I also fainted on the sets of Ranneeti. अभी मुझे याद आया. हाँ, we have that one take shot that I did. जिसमें पूरा action है. It starts with with the scene when Umar is there, when I'm under the bed and he's on the phone and he drags me from under the bed and we start fighting. I kill him, I run into the other room, I beat people up, and then we jump down and then we go on. That's the whole one take. And I had to, whenever something didn't work out, we had to go and start from the beginning.
Oh.
Tack, again.
Again, because it should be in a one take,
yes.
right? Oh.
And it involved a lot of steps and a lot of running and a lot of physical action. And we kept doing that over and over again. I remember I fainted after that. Yeah. And we were shooting that in the middle of the night. So I was not okay. But then again, lovely one take shot. Sometimes I play it and I look at it and I'm like, wow, it's not easy to do something like that for the DOP, for the director, for the actor.
Okay.
So then these are special things that you do as an actor and you can show off with it. You know, you can say this is what we do, because otherwise normal movie, normal series तो हर कोई हाँ कर सकता है. So doing special things, even if it requires you to faint after that, I'll do it.
Part and parcel of life, it's okay.
जी.
So अगर character की बात किया जाए तो how was your character? How much did you enjoy playing this particular character?
Well, I really enjoyed playing Netra, Dhar, and Fahima. Both of them.
Role,
yeah. First Fahima, you know, because and I think I did it very convinced. Like I could convince the viewer that chalo theek hai, she is a Pakistani, you know. And then the switch to her showing that she's on the side of India, you know, that I really love that. I don't know, they keep coming to me, these roles keep coming to me where they're like two characters in one. And I really enjoy it because I'm able to fool the viewer, and that's what you're supposed to do as an actor, right?
Yeah, the reality
fool them, and then they will like it, because that's what it is, right? If from the beginning people could tell, she seems like she's not really with Pakistan, you know, but no, everybody really believed that I am Fahima, you know, in the series. So I like that. I enjoyed it very much.
So was it difficult for you, playing double role at the same time?
See, no, it's not difficult in the sense, because in that moment you know who you're playing, right? Halaki, we kept switching. Like today we would shoot a scene of Fahima and tomorrow we would shoot a scene of Netra. But in that moment you know who you're playing. So you just need to concentrate and know. And there is nothing, you don't have to do anything. As long as you're doing that particular scene convincingly, then you've already done your job right. So इतना ज़्यादा है नहीं उसमें.
So how Elnaz is similar to Netra or Fahima?
Oh, well, I'm very patriotic myself. So in that sense, I'm very similar to Netra. Yeah, and yeah, I think I would say I'm more Netra than Fahima. For sure. Yeah, I am.
So how do you prepare yourself for the character before, you know, from Elnaz to your character?
Yeah, I guess it really depends on how extreme the character is or usme kya karna hai. In this, I didn't have to really prepare much for the character. I would just have to know that, okay, chalo, this is the scene and this is how I have to do it to be convincing. But what I had to do for this, I had to like really be good with the action part. Now for Made in Heaven, it was different because I was doing comedy and I was playing a light-hearted Bollywood star, you know. Yeah. Then every scene for Hootspa, I think that was the toughest. What I did in Hootspa in the Sony Live series that I did with Maddock. There I was playing, in real life, I was playing a Muslim girl, Sara. Oh. And then I was playing this cam girl with these crazy looks who is totally open and is not living under her veil. So that was a big difference because there you are Sarah during the day without makeup, without anything. You're wearing your hijab and your burqa and everything. And then you come to the scenes where you're wearing extremely revealing clothes.
Correct.
And you have to act. And what we did in Hootspa is, because a cam girl is mostly talking to the laptop, right? So what I had is I never had a co-actor.
Oh.
My acting was constantly with the camera. And then seducing the camera or all of those things. That was a little tougher, that difference between Sarah and Wild Butterfly. But I feel Netra and Fahima were not that tough for me. And because I've always wanted to do action, because I always wanted to do a character like this, it came very easily.
Since आपने एक्शन किया इस मूवी में, ऐसे कौन सी बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी एक्ट्रेसेस है जिनको you look up to that like
with the action part?
Yeah.
I think Deepika does a great job with action.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought you would say Disha.
Really? I mean, I haven't seen Disha do action. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm sure she's great, but I haven't really seen anything of her. So I don't know. But like I saw Fighter, and you know, like yeah, so okay. I feel Deepika has been doing a great job with that.
So how was your experience with Lara Dutta on this?
Unfortunately, I didn't get to do any scenes with her, but she's awesome. She's awesome. She's generally awesome. Jimmy sir also. I think it was just a pleasure to work with them on the same series. You know, unfortunately, I didn't have any scenes with her because I was on ground fighting and they were doing the strategy behind. So yeah, but hopefully I get to work with her and do some scenes with her in another series. You never know.
So you did South films pehle, you doing Bollywood now. How
No, I didn't do South films pehle. I just did a South film. Yeah. I started with Sacred.
How was the transition from Tollywood to Bollywood?
There was no transition. I did a special appearance and a song in a South movie, in a Telugu film. And transition to nahi hai, but what is tough in Telugu for me is obviously that it's a new language, right?
Yeah.
So that is the part that I think is challenging. But otherwise, everything is the same. It's like I've now acted in Farsi, I've now acted in English, I've acted in Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi, now I've acted in Telugu. So it's usually just really the languages that are different. Varna, everything else is just the same way.
Communication कैसे हुआ था फिर?
देखो, communication तो हम English में करते हैं वैसे. और फिर सीन्स के लिए मैंने थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प ले लिया वो लाइंस के लिए जो मुझे बोलना था. पर बाकी is like the people in South are so sweet. Such like cute people. Like
so I know, cute. I'm South Indian too.
You
I'm Telugu.
Oh, you are. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Yeah, well, yeah. So yeah, you're cute too. You see.
Thank you. So कुछ सीखा आपने तेलुगु में?
बहुत कुछ सीखा पर अभी कुछ याद नहीं रहा है. हाँ, I didn't like I'm removing everything that's not important in my head, right? Because there's so much happening for us every day, right? So even like my mom asked me, do you remember last week we did this, we spoke about this, and I'm like, last week? No, I don't even remember yesterday. What are you talking about? Like I have so much going on in my head. Unless I want to go and learn Telugu and everything, वो अलग बात है. But अभी तो
during shooting ऐसे कुछ सीखा होगा या पता होगा वो words? नहीं.
कुछ याद नहीं है. Seriously. कुछ भी याद नहीं है. I remember they just told me, I was very stressed. I was like, अरे यार, get me the lines for this song. I have to lip sync. How am I supposed to do that? नहीं, कोई नहीं, you can just say anything. I'm like, भाई वो दिख जाता है. Hello, this is full, my whole life people will be able to see that on YouTube.
Obviously.
Anyway, I got the lines and I perfectly learned them. And then they were like, wow, you actually learned it and you're saying all of this. I'm like, you should be wanting me to do that. Like, how can you say it's okay to just lip sync anything? I know, people are so relaxed. एक तो अच्छी बात है वैसे, because then they don't stress the actor. But what if the actor is not that thorough and just says, चलो ठीक है, I'll just lip sync anything. मेरे लिए तो नहीं होता है भाई. But yeah, I enjoy the language, but I know it's a very tough one.
Yeah, it is.
It's very tough.
But talking about your action part, you're very good in it. So
Thank
अगर एक्शन के रिलेटेड कोई रियलिटी शो आपको ऑफर होता है जैसे कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी, would you love to do it?
Oh, I think they just started. They asked me
Yeah.
about for it.
खतरों के लिए.
Yeah, just for this season also. यार ये सब मुझे नहीं करना है, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है मुझे. मैं तो नहीं. I'm a very, I can't. Like, be it even animals, insects, I jump 5 feet when I see something in my own house also. Even heights, I'm scared of heights. Chalo theek hai, for the series I do it because I'm determined as an actor. I have to do it. But
Reality.
जानबूझ के मतलब, why should I go and do that to myself? Like, go through all of that. No, आप पैसे रख लो, मैं घर पे ही ठीक हूँ.
So what are your upcoming projects now? आपके fans after रणनीति आपको कहाँ देखने वाले हैं?
Oh God, अभी इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि बहुत सारे अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, चाहे वो मेरे परफॉर्मेंस के हो, चाहे वो म्यूजिक हो, चाहे वो फिल्म्स हो, पर कुछ भी हम लोगों ने अभी तक अनाउंस नहीं किया है. अनाउंसमेंट जून और जुलाई में होंगे, इसीलिए मैं आपको बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ.
So spoiler
नहीं, पर है, बहुत सारे हैं. Actually, last few months I've been working a lot on music and on films and on a lot of things that I don't even think my team knows because I haven't told you guys yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Even she's surprised. She might be surprised. Is it?
Yes. So, I can't tell you guys yet, but I can tell you that I have lots of music coming up. I have 3 film announcement coming up, and I have we're planning a tour. I'm going to be performing, so that is also coming up. So it's coming up, but अभी बता नहीं सकती. Sorry. Next interview.
So आपके fans को lastly क्या message देना चाहेंगे जो आपको इतना प्यार देते आए हैं इतने time तक?
बस यही प्यार देते रहो. Yeah, because it's really important. I feel like for all of us actors, we live with their love.
Yeah.
We live with them telling us how much they love what we do and the support. So bas yahi, we try our best to give you all the content that we do in the best way. So it's your love that keeps me alive.
Thank you so much, Anas. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.